Hiya guys, so today we're going to take a look at the new handheld 1000 watt heat inductor from Laser Tools, available with either UK 3-pin or 2-pin European plugs. The unit has a detachable pistol grip, which is great for access into difficult areas. The kit comes complete with a range of coils, including a flexible rope coil. The rope coil is great for heating up track rods for wheel alignment adjustment. These can also be purchased separately as and when required. So let's go and see it in action. This exhaust fixing is well and truly sealed. The coils are easily fitted and removed by using this simple twist lock feature. When selecting the coil for the job, it's always good practice to have an area of clearance around the nut or bolt to be heated. This will ensure longevity of the coils. We have our flat coil, which can be used for removing stickers. Overall, a great versatile piece of kit and highly recommended for any workshop.